Number 4. Good. So they're going to be doing a front kick right to my stomach. So most of these strikes are defending against a punch to your face. This one is defending against a front kick. You'll see later with partners with Miss Addie. Good. We are going to load, step back, block, and we're going to do an outside crescent kick to the face. Hiya! Good. So we're going to load, step back, do that double block, guarding our tummy and our face from that front kick. Turn her hand, crescent kick. Hiya! Good. Opposite side. Load. Step back, block, crescent kick. Hiya! Ready. Load. Step back, block, crescent kick. Hiya! Good. Number 4. So number 4, she's actually going to be kicking me, kicking my body. So this is like a straight front kick defense. So she comes in. Hi! I shut my body off with that reinforced block. Blocking off the middle of me, immediate use of my back leg. Hiya! Crescent kick to the head. One more time. Hiya! Hiya!